And the winner of season 10 is Amisha. Congratulations, Amisha. The new face of Hot One Mrs. India Worldwide 2021 season 10. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Amisha Sethi.
An international best-selling author, a corporate leader, a fitness coach, a fashion model out of sheer passion, an enthusiastic and a multidimensional person who believes in reinventing herself every day. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring to you the new face and the winner of Hot One Mrs. India Worldwide 2021, Mrs. Amisha Sethi.
Thank you so much. It is such an honor. And for me, I think I'm not just reinventing myself, I think I'm re-engineering myself because it's such a beautiful concoction of things that I'm seeing since the time I have won the pageant. It's absolutely unbelievable experience for me. And thank you so much for having me here today.
Thank you so much, Amisha. So that was lovely, Amisha. Lovely play of words, I must say. And you are looking beautiful and gorgeous today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All thanks to the transformation of Hot One Mrs. India Worldwide.
I'm sure. And I can truly see the transformation on you.
Yeah.
It is so lovely and beautiful.
So much. Thank you so much. All credit to the team of Hot One Mrs. India Worldwide.
So, Amisha, we'll start on with a very quick question and answer round with you.
Okay.
Where we'll be asking a set of
Okay.
7 different questions
Okay.
that obviously will revolve around Hot One Mrs. India Worldwide
Okay.
and your journey,
Okay.
with us in the pageant.
Fantastic.
So,
is
are
the
you
word.
ready for it?
I'm ready.
Up for the game?
Yes.
Great.
Okay.
So, let's begin.
Uh-huh.
So, Amisha, the gorgeous crown today adorns your
Yeah.
head.
Oh, it is gorgeous.
I would like to ask you, how's the feeling and, how it has all changed for you in these 1.5 years?
Well, for me, the journey of Hot One Mrs. India Worldwide was nothing less than a blockbuster movie with a lot of action, drama, a phenomenal
I'm sure
amount
of
of
it.
learnings. And one thing for me, the true highlight was the fact that I could come out of certain inhibitions inside me. Like I was never ever thought that I'm going to become a fashion model. It was a completely alien universe for me. And the fact that today I'm doing professional modeling assignment is the huge testimony to the fact that Mrs. India Worldwide has been a catalyst in bringing out hidden talents that I never ever thought existed inside my body. So yeah, it's
Amisha, now you are doing so well in the fashion fraternity, and in fact, I have seen some of your photo shoots as well.
yeah, you have.
In these last
Thanks.
few days, and you
Thank
look
you.
phenomenal in
Thank
that.
you so much.
Definitely.
Thank you.
So that's great. That's great coming from you. So, Amisha, moving on to our next question.
Okay.
We all know that the role and support of one's family plays a very pivotal part, in one's success. So, what's your take on it? How has your family played, a major role and has been of a major support in this success of yours?
Well, I do feel that family does play a pivotal role in anyone's journey, and for me, मेरी family बहुत supportive थी. It was like a beautiful backbone for me. So all these years when I was even struggling to get my task pictures done or videos done during the journey, they were jumping around in excitement to help me. So they pretty much also have learned to be good photographers and videographers.
That's amazing.
During the
I
journey.
think with your achievement, it has been their achievement also.
Absolutely, and in fact, I would say this, and I'm not kidding at all. So even my 15 years old son, after seeing transformation of his mother, he was like, "Hey, I want to learn photography." And I was like, "Okay, not bad," with a कुछ तो
अच्छा
बढ़िया.
creative काम कर रहा है
Correct,
कोई.
correct, correct. No,
And how about your
absolutely.
husband? So with the ladies, we always want to know that, what support or what role has their husbands played, in their journey of participating in any beauty pageant, for that matter.
Absolutely.
So what was your husband's role? I would surely love to know that. And I think our viewers also.
Yeah, so I'll be very honest. Initially, he was quite skeptical that
Yeah.
you come from a very, as I earlier mentioned as well, that I come from a very different alien universe, and for him it was a huge shock that I want to go ahead and explore myself in a pageant. But I think it's our ownership as women, and that's what I did, is to not really convince them, but let them know about your dreams and aspirations, which can
Exactly.
keep changing in your course of life.
And I think that is very important. That is very important. And I think you are one strong person who will be able to convince anybody for that matter. Let alone be convincing your husband.
So but during the journey he became an integral ingredient of the journey.
Yeah.
And I can't appreciate him more for being so supportive, and also equally be happy with my achievements.
So Misha, you are a strong, a beautiful and an independent woman yourself.
Thank you.
And if I would like to ask you something today, I would definitely want to ask you that what is that one change that you have seen in women of today
Okay.
versus the women in the past?
Well, I have certainly one thing that I can clearly see and see in the woman of today is the fact that they've become more and more progressive and fearless about themselves.
Yes.
They want to make decisions for themselves rather than somebody else taking, and I feel so proud about the fact that we as women want to live our own life, which is absolutely fearless, courageous, and full of creativity and vigor, and we are not answerable to anyone. We are only answerable to ourselves.
Definitely. I mean, that's what I also strongly feel, because if you're educated,
Absolutely.
and we have been in fact putting a great amount of I'll say energy that
Right.
the women of today should be educated.
Absolutely.
And I think that is that one particular thing that has made them so strong,
Absolutely.
independent, and not dependent on rather their husbands or the fathers or the brothers.
Absolutely.
I'm sure, I mean, they all are a part of our lives.
True,
We
true.
love them to the core.
Yes.
But it's all about how independent and successful we are on our
Absolutely.
own selves.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
and I can't agree more with you. In fact, जो एक बहुत प्यारा वर्ड है संस्कार, तो जो नया संस्कार है वो ये है कि आप कितने अपने आप को इतना मजबूत बना देते हैं कि आपको किसी की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. आप इनसाइड और आउटसाइड हर तरीके से आपने अपने आप को इतना मजबूत बना दिया है कि आप हर चीज़ में खुद ही अपने आप तरक्की करेंगे.
And I keep taking inspiration from you to rather be more strong, courageous and independent. So
Thank you so
I
much.
think you are an inspiration to many people, in fact.
Thank you so much, and you are an inspiration to me. Look at you.
That's so sweet. That's so sweet of you, Misha. So Misha, I would like to say this yet again, that you have been with us from last 1.5 years
Yes,
now.
indeed.
And you have, gone through the journey, you have experienced the journey, you have tasted the journey, if I
Yes.
can put it in that words, if I
Absolutely.
can frame it like that.
Right.
So how do you think that, Hot One Mrs. India Worldwide gives wings to the dreams of these women to achieve what they really want in their lives?
Absolutely. For me, one thing that clearly came out is the fact that this platform grooms you in your overall personality. So it's not just one aspect that you get groomed on, that let's say ramp walk and so forth. It's an overall beautiful miscellany of sorts of so many things, so that once you come out of the journey, you come out as a different transformative person.
Definitely.
And personally, I was such a no starter when it came to pictures and fashion modeling.
I remember that very vividly.
So in fact I must tell you that as an author मुझे बोला जाता था कि अब बस आप अपनी बुक की फोटो मत दीजिए, अपनी भी फोटो दीजिए. I was like नहीं बुक पे फोकस करो, मुझे फोटो नहीं चाहिए.
अब तो हर जगह पहले मेरी फोटो लीजिए और मेरे क्राउन की.
अब तो it's like ये it's like नहीं 5 नहीं 15 लो तुम. So that's I think that's a huge thing for me, and also not just the glamour side of things. I think we always get confused that pageantry is all about glamour and it's all about showbiz. No, it's not a vicarious medium that is only going to groom you in a certain aspect. It's such a beautiful platform which will even carve out and probably there's a word जो हमारे तह से ऊपर ले आता है. वो ऐसी चीज़ें आपके टैलेंट्स को लेकर आएगा जो आपको पता भी नहीं था. I have myself seen, and I'm going to talk about my fellow contestants, that I have seen that they have become renowned fashion influencers over a period of time, and thanks to the social task that we had, and all thanks to you that you nicely groomed us on social media platforms. I have seen, and I am one example, but I have seen tons of fellow contestants out there who have carved out their niche, not in just one field, but in different.
Any one particular social media task that you would like to talk about here?
I thoroughly enjoyed the Prestige cooking task. It was amazing. We got a beautiful gift hamper from Prestige, and then we were asked to cook something innovative and go ahead and display that. And I think that came out very well, because here you're not just showcasing कि हमें खाना बनाना आता है, पर हमें किस creative तरीके से आता है. Your representation and your video skills also came out beautifully out there.
So I think that really made for one great social media task.
Absolutely.
I could see a plethora of social media tasks, put up by the contestants.
Oh yeah.
And they thoroughly enjoyed it. That's what I feel, at least by watching all the Instagram and Facebook posts.
Absolutely. And I must tell you that it wasn't just about just doing the task for the heck of doing. We as the team, I would say, had put in so much of effort and heart and soul behind it, and I think that's the beauty of Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide, that it nudges you to give your extra bit. It's not that let's just do it as a task, but it makes you, it tells you from within that no, you have to put that extra effort, थोड़ा सा और push मारो और बस अच्छे से करो. So दिल को अच्छा लगना चाहिए.
And anything that you would like to talk about, the groomers and the choreographers that we got on board for the journey, and tell it from your heart, how useful or कितना मजा आया आपको उनके साथ?
I never ever worked with such amazing, beautiful people together. For me, the fact that Kavita ma'am and Sunny sir got us, taught us and trained us on the stage presence and the ramp walk. Then Sylvie Rogers ma'am, she is one of the, she's like an epitome of warmth. She's like a love person, wherever she goes, she leaves behind warmth and love, and she is such a fantastic person when it comes to grooming you and really letting you know about your weaknesses, that hey, this is what you need to improve upon. And I think for me that was great. It was a huge learning lesson. As well as Ronnie sir, he is like a celebrity photographer, and
he is
wow,
in fact a celebrity photographer, and he's just so good with his skills.
Absolutely, he can make you look like 1,000 times more beautiful than what you actually are.
Please note it, Ronnie.
Yeah, he's amazing, and so is Bharat sir, and you. I think such an amazing team. Such an amazing team.
Thank you so much, Amisha. And I think that was lovely coming out from you, since you have got the first-hand experience of what the journey was all about. And I think you could be the better person, the best person to tell it across to the viewers, or to the contenders who are going to participate for next year.
Absolutely. And please, if this is for the contestants who are going to sign up now, and I must tell you that Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide is like a beautiful family who would all come together to take you ahead. So don't worry. If you have any inhibitions, please leave them aside, because this place is going to give you an incremental amount of energy that you would have never ever felt before. So बस आप आ जाइए, बाकी सब हो जाएगा ठीक.
बाकी सब हम देख लेंगे. So Amisha, moving on to our second last question of the day.
Okay.
If I may ask you.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
You might not feel offended.
No, I
Or
won't.
you may feel offended.
I won't. I won't show at least.
That should be the spirit. Well, if I may ask you, what's your height?
I'm 5'3".
Okay, you're 5'3", and if we talk about beauty pageants in certain, there
Yes.
is like a bubble in the beauty pageant industry. That you
Right.
should have to be of certain height or
True.
a certain weight in order to be one of the winners, or be the
Right.
title winner of
Right.
that particular pageant.
Right.
So, what would you like to say about that? You have an average height
Yes.
according to the beauty pageant
Yes.
industry, if I may say
Yes.
so. So, any challenges or anything that you faced during this journey of yours with us?
Well, be very honest, I definitely had this insecurity in my mind when I joined, but I must tell you that never ever, not even once in the entire pageant, that somebody, and when I say somebody, it will be the fellow contestants as well
Yeah,
as the
yeah.
Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide team, made me feel that height can actually be the reason for winning or not winning, and it is a huge testimony to the fact that this pageant is way beyond height, weight, and those quintessential criterias of winners. It is like celebrating the essence of womanhood. It's about looking at the substance and not really the physical aspect of it. And I'm superbly proud of the fact that मैंने हॉटमॉन मिसेस इंडिया वर्ल्ड वाइड को चूज़ किया. देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ अदर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ अवेलेबल, बट ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम एक अच्छे प्लेटफॉर्म को चूज़ करें जिससे आप अपने आप को और बेहतर बना सकते हैं. एंड फॉर मिसेस इंडिया वर्ल्ड वाइड आई वुड से दैट आई हैव इवन सीन माई ओन फेलो कंटेस्टेंट्स एंड keep the height and weight aside.
Yeah.
They all are like zonal winners and they are subtitle winners. So I really don't think that height is a criteria to judge a woman. Weight is not a criteria. Your credentials, your intelligence, your beauty inside, your passion, your courage, your hard work, your efforts, ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. They are amazingly taller than your height.
And I feel that more so Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide searches for the right kind of talent.
Absolutely.
And in fact, we also like to keep these nitty-gritties that we just talked about out of a pageant, because we truly believe that if you have the right kind of talent, एंड अगर आपको उस टैलेंट को हमारे साथ एक्सप्लोर करना है तो ये बिल्कुल ही सही प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आपको आना चाहिए. एंड you should just be yourself.
Absolutely. And your personality is what that matters, and I so much agree with you. And once again, I can't thank Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide to see me in totality. Not like, okay.
No, I think Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide chose the right winner. You were you were totally worthy of the crown that you're adorning today. And it looks so magnanimous and beautiful on you. Beautiful is the word.
And the feeling is magnificent.
The feeling, I'm sure you must be feeling out of the world today.
Absolutely. I think ये एक वो खूबसूरत सा गाना है जो मैं अपनी पूरी जिंदगी भर में गुनगुनाती रहूंगी.
चलो थोड़ा गुनगुना के सुना दो.
नहीं फिर तो नहीं गाना नहीं गा सकती मैं.
ठीक है. So moving on to our last question of the day, Amisha. So you now know that we are starting on with the auditions for Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2022, season 11 from 25th November onwards. Intensities, and for international candidates we'll be having the Skype chat, interviews and the auditions.
Okay.
So any special message that you would like to tell to our contenders for 2022, and anything in mind or anything in particular that they should keep while participating in this pageant and moving ahead in this journey?
Sure, absolutely. I can just say that from the bottom of my heart, kidneys, lungs, all included, that ये एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग तो बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ, ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आपने शायद पहले कभी एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया होगा. तो आप प्लीज़ आइए, एक्सप्लोर करिए, अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करिए, अपनी इनहिबिशंस को छोड़कर आइए एंड हैव ट्रस्ट इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड गो हैड एंड लिव एवरी मोमेंट एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू पुट इन योर हार्ड वर्क बिकॉज नथिंग कैन रिप्लेस हार्ड वर्क एंड एफर्ट. तो आप ये सब करिए और उसके बाद यू आर इन सेफ हैंड्स. यू विल हैव एन एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग लाइफटाइम एक्सपीरियंसेस, फिनोमिनल लर्निंग्स और आपके जो दोस्त बनेंगे यहाँ पे सो कीप एवरीथिंग एल्स असाइड, आपके दोस्त, आपकी जो मेमोरीज हैं वो हमेशा एक ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेगनेंस की तरह हमेशा आपके साथ रहेगी, जिसे आप जब आप अकेले में बैठे होंगे तो कभी भी एकदम से महसूस कर लेंगे.
So lastly, before we sign off, Amisha, by the way, is going to be at all the cities present for the auditions of 2022. And how excited are you to see the energy brimming in this year's candidates?
Oh, I am already, I think there are thousands of crackers bursting inside me. I am so looking forward to see you. I am so looking forward to see the talent and absorb myself in their energy. I think ये जो auditions होंगे ना वो तो best part है Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide का. And I can't tell you how excited I am to go ahead and see that energy, the powerhouse performances out there, and looking forward to find the next queen very, very soon.
I'm sure.
So,
I think that's what the hunt is going to be all about.
Absolutely.
Now. And Amisha, I'm truly in awe with the glorious and that beautiful and the dazzling crown that you're wearing. And I really like the fact how Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2021 is embedded in such a beautiful manner on the crown.
Yes.
So from the time we have been interviewing, I think more than asking the question, I have been looking into your crown and then asking the question, then rotating my eyes back to the camera.
Oh yeah, it is the most gorgeous thing that you can put on your head, and it's and it is truly earned. So it's
Definitely.
it's phenomenal. It's an honor. It is an honor.
Can't agree with you more on this.
Yeah, absolutely. And I do want to say one more thing, that I truly believe that this crown of honor would also trigger you to do absolutely amazing and great things for others. So because I truly believe that you're one in a million if you can impact a million others positively. So take the crown and go ahead and spread positivity and kindness around.
That's so well said. That's so well said, Amisha. And again, thank you so much for coming here and taking out your time for this
thanks a lot.
interview. And so if you really want to see and meet Amisha, make sure that you have registered yourself for 2022. And apart from giving your auditions, be ready to meet the Queen.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to meeting you all. Please, please, please come soon.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much.